Looking for a quick, delicious, and healthy meal? Today we're making vegetable chow mein. It's packed with fresh vegetables, bold flavors, and ready in minutes. To a pot of boiling water, I am adding Guyanese chow mein noodles. If you can't find this in the stores, I will have it linked below in the description box. Give it a good stir because you don't want the noodles to clump as it cooks. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook the noodles or else it will become mushy. While that cooks, I'm going to get started on the vegetables. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan. Adding crushed garlic and ginger and stir fry until fragrant. You're going to do this for about 30 seconds. And don't worry, your ginger or garlic should not do this. Mine had a little bit of liquid in it, and that is the reason why it's reacting with the oil. Next, I am adding carrots and bell pepper, which I've thinly sliced. I'm going to start with these 2 vegetables because they take the longest to cook. I'm using bell pepper, carrots, and cabbage, but you can also use broccoli, green beans, bok choy, or even mushroom. You can use any combination that you prefer. Now that the vegetables have stir fried for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add finely shredded cabbage, red pepper flakes, 5 spice powder, and a little bit of salt. Mix it all together and then stir fry for an additional minute or 2. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes just like this. And the recipe will be linked in the description box. Now it's time to add the cooked chow mein noodles that's been strained. Let's add even more flavor to the chow mein by adding soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and also chicken bouillon powder. Mix everything together to make sure that the noodles soak up all of that delicious flavor. Gently toss as it continues to stir fry, making sure not to break up the noodles. To finish it off and to give it even more texture and flavor, I've added finely shredded cabbage and green onions. Drizzle a little sesame oil over the chow mein for a nutty aroma and flavor. It is the perfect finishing touch. And doesn't that look good? The vegetables are not only well seasoned, but they're perfectly cooked, and so are the noodles. To serve, I like to add a little bit of cabbage and chopped scallions on top, and this was absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, be sure to share this video with your friends, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.